PandaDoc claims to be the ultimate solution for document automation, but does it really deliver? If you're tired of the endless back and forth with clients over contracts and proposals, stick around as we dive into what this platform offers and whether it's worth your time. PandaDoc is designed to streamline the entire document process, from creation to signing. At its core, it allows users to build customizable templates for proposals, contracts, and quotes, making it easier to send professional documents quickly. The user interface is fairly intuitive, which is a plus, especially for those who might not be tech-savvy. One standout feature is its integration capabilities with popular platforms like Salesforce and HubSpot, allowing for seamless workflows. However, while the initial setup seems straightforward, some users have noted that navigating through certain features can be a bit clunky, particularly if you're trying to utilize advanced functionalities. The platform targets small to medium-sized businesses, but larger enterprises might find it lacking in certain complex automation needs. Overall, PandaDoc feels like a solid option for those looking to simplify their document management, but there are areas that could benefit from more clarity and guidance. When it comes to strengths, PandaDoc shines with its easy-to-use template system and integration options. Users appreciate the ability to track document status, which adds a layer of accountability. However, there are some frustrations to consider. The pricing can be a bit steep for smaller businesses, especially considering some features are gated behind higher tier plans. Additionally, while the interface is generally user-friendly, some users have reported challenges when it comes to customer support, with response times being slower than expected. This lack of timely assistance can be a deal-breaker for those who need immediate help. Overall, if you're a small business looking for a straightforward document solution, PandaDoc might fit the bill. However, larger organizations or those needing extensive automation might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, PandaDoc is a strong contender in the document automation space, particularly for smaller businesses. If you value ease of use and integration, it's worth a shot. However, if you're part of a larger enterprise or need extensive support, it might be wise to look elsewhere. Make sure to weigh your options before diving in.